Welcome back, guys. We're working on a Pioneer 500 again today. I'm going to install this aluminum skid plate. It's from Aluminum Products. We're just going to get it all bolted together here and then remove our plastic skid plates and replace it with this one. We're going to start with these. I think all you pretty much need for this is a 10mm socket and wrench or an impact driver. So I think they got the bolts going from the front to the back. It'd be interesting to see how good this one lines up. It definitely doesn't look as precise as the last one I did, especially where it bolts together. I'm hoping all these work out good. These bolts, you got to tighten them pretty good because you're not going to be able to get to them once you stick this up. These aren't quite 90 degrees, so they're making a bridge like that. It'd be nice if they had a center mark and stuff where the nothing seems to be perfect as far as these bends and that. Yeah, I don't like that. I guess you just force it up on the machine, and you're not going to leave these bolts loose. They fall out. Different size nut on that one. What the fuck do you do with that? I guess you should just try and, I don't know. I don't know. The last one we did, it was nice. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, I'm not happy with this. If you made this yourself, you'd be pretty happy if you paid money for us. I think there's probably better products than this one. Seems like it's a lot of hand work. I don't know. Really, the biggest problem we're running into now is just these aren't bent to 90s, and you can see that, right? The bottom of this machine's flat. It's 2 pieces of channel. I can't imagine that these holes are going to line up good by the look of it. The fact that it's so bent like that. Anyways, I'm just going to keep on trucking and start screwing it on like it says to do. It says to remove all your factory hardware and save it. So there's all our old skid plates off, guys. We got our washers, our big cup washers there. What is that? Sort of lines up. You can tell if somebody just took the plastic skid plates off and made a pattern here. And then they did this fucking genius idea here of bolting it all together like that. But I mean, gives you a London Bridge. Yeah, like you say, I'm just gonna start screwing it on at the back and see what happens. Now this part of this skid plate on the bike doesn't take these big washers. They only had nuts through a metal piece. So now what? Probably got some washers, I guess. Alright guys, we're gonna pull this under and see if we can get it in place. Yeah, so far not too bad. Oh. I don't know what the fuck. What is it? Yeah, I'm gonna grab the jack and try and push that into place and see what we can make of it. I don't know, looks like shit to me. And check out the bulge in the middle of it there. I'm trying to move my jack back and see if I can bend them ears with the. She's in the place anyhow. This is still. Yeah, this is a nightmare. Just pulled the threads out of that hole. Some fucking rusty old bolts. They don't give you new ones. These holes so far lined up pretty good to here. After having to bend it into place, this first set on the next one here is it's a little bit off. Like I said, this whole center section wasn't on with these big washers that they tell you to use from the plastic skid plates, see? So we're going to be short that many washers, I would think. This one here is a bit off, so I'm going to leave it kind of loose. I'm going to go dig around and see if I got anything like that. See if I can find some better bolts, because it's funny, you can tell some of these were replaced already. I don't know why, but you can see the threads are rotted off the top of a lot of them. This one here come out of the hole, big long one, come out of the hole right to the end and then get stuck. Alright guys, we got the skid plate on. It took a bit of friggin' around to get it lined up because of the way it all arched when it was bolted together at the seams. The instructions said to make sure these are lined up, these cup washers, and not to over tighten them. But with the bow and everything, by the time I got a few of some of these screws were rusty. By the time I got them in, it pulled the thread off the screw. I was able just to replace it with a new screw, but definitely a pain in the ass. Anyways, it's all on there now. It looks pretty good. I can see people having a hard time lining them up and the screw problem because when it's all arched, none of it fits very good. You got to get it all up in place and jiggle it around and pry it into place to be able to get all these cups up to where they go. And yeah, that's it. Anyways, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.